Masarap ba pumutok? Okay ba?
No, Mr. Chair.
Bakit ka pumutok?
Ito po yung may special kill skills, yung nabanggit na una. Special kill skills.
Special
Kill
skills.
skills. Yes, Your
Ah,
Honor. That,
Ano ibig sabihin nun?
that's their claim that they would have special kill skills. That they have that kind of skills.
Ano-
Parang talent. That talentado
Panahon na
pumatay.
mga cowboys yan nung araw sa California saka sa Texas. I'd like to call right now Charles Owen Molinos. Is he here? Will you please come and sit over here? You may go and sit right behind me, but just sit behind me. Okay? We have Michael Maderable, Ronnie Bangat, June Ralph Pinheiro. Charles Owen Molinos, sino po sila? Kayo? Okay, Michael Maderable, sino po sila? Michael Maderable, we have Ronnie Bangat, we have June Ralph Pinheiro. Oo. We have also invited Emmanuel Ibit, di ba? Where is he? Alam niyo kung nasan siya? Because he did not even send us a letter about that. Well, anyway, okay. You belong to the Philippine National Police Regional Office 11 under Police Colonel Lito Patay. Am I right?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Ano ang rango ninyo? Anong rank mo?
Staff
Staff
Sergeant.
Sergeant
Yes,
and
Mr.
you?
Chair.
Staff Sergeant.
Staff Sergeant?
Police Chief Master Sergeant, Your Honor.
Did you take your oath?
Yes, Your Honor.
All of you took your oath, okay? Now,
Mr. Chair.
according to Police Colonel Lito Patay, during his stint as commander of the Batasan, sa kanyang watch, more than 100 people were killed. Do you attest to that?
Di ko po maano yung exact figure, Mr.
Sabi
Chair.
niya more than 100. And he was only there for about 8 months. Do you attest to that? Ikaw? Hindi mo alam.
Di ko paano yung...
Ikaw?
Hindi ko din alam yung figure, Your
Ikaw?
The same, Your Honor. Hindi ko rin alam yung figure.
Ganon. But you were involved. Because you were under him eh.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
You were involved.
Yes, Mr.
It's okay. In your own involvement, how many of those 100, for example, na napatay ninyo sa encounter?
I cannot ano yung sa ano niya, Mr. Chair, sa exactly na figure, Mr. Chair.
Pero meron kayo napatay.
I'm not sure, Your Honor, kung ako po yung nakatama, Your Honor.
Meron ka napatay o wala?
Not sure, Your Honor, kung ako po yung nakatama, Your Honor. Kasi hindi lang po ako yung pumutok,
Pero
Your Honor.
bumaril ka.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Hindi mo alam kung nakatama ka.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Paano ka pa mga pulis asintado?
Hindi naman po siguro lahat.
Si Director Jimmy Santiago, pakituruan nga ito. Oo. Napakatlo ka, ako hindi ako pulis. Asintado ako. Naglalaro ako. Meron akong sariling firing range. Alright? Ay, sabihin mo sa akin na bumaril ka, hindi mo alam kung nakatama.
Kasi hindi lang po ako yung pumutok, Mr. Chair.
Andito ba yung council nila? Do you have a council here?
No, Mr. Chair.
No, you have no council. Okay. Kaya ikaw naman, PO2 Maderable.
Yes,
Pumutok
Mr.
ka ba? Pumutok ka din. Ha?
Opo, Mr. Chair.
Pero hindi mo alam kung nakapatay ka. Pumutok ka rin ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Ikaw?
Yes, Your Honor.
Masarap ba pumutok? Okay ba? Exciting ba ang gumamit ng baril at paputukan ang tao? Ha? Na merong more than 100 Colonel Patay testified here. More than 100. So tinatanong ko kayo, exciting ba ang pumutok at makapatay? Kahit hindi mo alam kung nakapatay ka.
No, Mr. Chair.
Bakit ka pumutok?
In my, Mr. Chair, as police officer, Mr. Chair, pag ang buhay, Mr. Chair, nasa danger, Mr. Chair, I will defend myself, Mr. Chair.
Okay, I understand that. So, pumutok ka for self-defense purposes.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Pero hindi mo alam kung nakapatay ka. Hindi mo alam kung sino pinutukan mo. Hello, come on. Ako nag-iisip din naman ako eh. Oo, pumutok ka. Hindi mo alam kung nakapatay ka. So hindi mo alam kung sino pinutukan mo.
Pumutok po ako, Mr. Chair, pero I'm not the only one kasi pumutok, Mr. Chair, kasi may narinig akong putok sa gilid, sa likod ko, Mr. Chair.
Ikaw naman.
Bali, pumutok din ako, Mr. Chair, pero hindi ako sigurado kung tumama din, Mr. Chair.
Hindi ka sigurado kung tumama.
Yes.
Pero, alam mo kung sino yung pinutukan mo. Alam mo ba kung sino ang pinutukan mo?
Yung
Kilala
suspect,
mo?
Mr. Chair. Hindi, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Kung self-defense yan, hindi mo alam kung sino pinutukan mo.
Suspect, sir.
How can it be self-defense? I would like to ask my fellow former policemen here, if that would be the case among the police people. Now, I'll be asking our generals about this. Pumutok sila eh. Oo. Okay, kayo naman, self-defense ka rin.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Oo.
My life is in danger.
So nakita mo
puputok
yung
ako.
danger, nakita mo yung tao, napapatayin ka din. Nakita mo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oo. Pinutukan mo pero hindi mo alam kung tumama.
Yes, Your Honor. Kasi hindi lang rin ako ang pumutok, Your Honor.
Pinag-uusapan yung hindi lang ikaw ang pumutok. Ang pinag-uusapan natin, kung tumama ka at namatay yung tao.
Hindi ko ma-determine, Your Honor. Kasi ang putok is sabay-sabay. So yung tama ng bala, hindi namin malalaman kung sino talaga
Sabay-sabay. How about you?
I'm not sure, Your Honor. Kung ako talaga yung nakatama, Your Honor.
Pero self-defense lang ang ginawa mo.
Yes, Your Honor. Pero hindi naman lahat na operation namin, Your Honor, may pumutok kami, Your Honor.
Attorney Conti, sino ba ang mga biktima ng mga ito?
Your Honor, again, may I refer to the Reuters reports? Included among their victims would be Cherwen, the husband of Kathrina Polo, for which actually
Andito
charges
ba
were
yung
filed.
kanilang mga kamag-anak?
No, Your Honor, we also do not handle this
Okay.
case, but I have information. And for the recollection of Officer Charles Owen Molinos, you remember, Your Honor, during the first hearing, the Reuters reports, Pulitzer-winning Reuters reports were raised. And in one of those reports, it was stated, because they reviewed police crime reports, Molinos took part in 29 operations, which killed 56 people. For your
Sino po?
recollection.
Kayo yun.
Charles Owen
Oh,
Molinos,
Mr. Chair.
Ayan, sinasabi na sa inyo. Ilan po?
29 operations that killed 56 people. And Your Honor, in one of those cases, ito yung parang massacre yatang tinuturing, which occurred in 2017. They filed a case regarding what they call the Payatas massacre. And this was nag-request po ng investigation against QCPD Chief Patay. And he was actually charged with 2 counts of grave neglect of duty. And then the others who were part of the operation. Molinos, Maderable are among those charged. There was also a case filed before the Office of the Ombudsman for murder and violation of, for planting of evidence, Your Honor. I understand they were ordered to file a counter affidavit. They filed, but I do not know how the Office of the Ombudsman ruled in this case. The victims who filed the case here were Katrina Polo, Marlene Bordeos, and Marisa Hamos. I think, Your Honor, until in the reports in Reuters, may binabanggit din po yung mga biktima na they were experiencing harassment from this unit. So, actually, the report from Reuters paints this group as, ito po yung may special kill skills, yung nabanggit na una. Special kill skills.
Special skills.
Skills. Yes, Your
Ah,
Honor. That,
Ano ibig sabihin nun?
that's their claim, that they would have special kill skills. That they have that kind of skills.
Ano-
Parang talent. That talentado
Panahon ng
pumatay.
mga cowboys yan nung araw sa California saka sa Texas, ah. Oo, yung mga ganyan. Oo.
Yes.
Meron akong gusto nyo, bigyan ko kayo ng Magnum 44.
Mr. Chair,
Yes.
may I know, did all this happen in 1 year?
I understand around 2016, parang napalipat po yata sila later on. They were reassigned. Well, they all came from Davao. They were assigned from Davao, but eventually, I think this team was disbanded. If I recall, in 2017, Officer Patay was reassigned to Bulacan, I think. So, kumbaga, after nagkaroon na ng issue, nag-iba-iba na sila. So, I am unfamiliar with the present designations. But in August 2016, I understand they were part of this very deadly death squad composed of Davao boys.
Mr. Chair, the DPRM is present here.
President, Mr. Chair.
Yes. May I request DPRM to submit the PDS of Colonel Patay?
We will submit, Mr. Chair.
And the 4 people or the team that he brought from Davao?
Yes, Mr. Chair, we'll submit, Mr. Chair.
Now, are these people already back in Davao?
I have to check, Mr. Chair, but I believe some of them were already in Davao.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair.